Okay, so this is performance testing. Okay, online training. So performance testing, I will give for the training, performance testing. We have the different tools in the market, Load Runner is one of the important tool, Load Runner and JMeter and NeoLoad, and we have the some other tools also will be there. But if you go good for this, any one of the one or two tools, then you are good for the performance testing point of view. So anyone have knowledge what is performance testing? Anyone in this group? Okay, no worry. So performance testing nothing but we have to test the application behavior under various conditions. Under various condition means load point of view and stress point of view. So how the application behavior is going. See why we need to do the performance testing. What is the use of performance testing? See, for example, we have the Flipkart, Amazon applications will be there. So they are giving for the offers. Like they are given for the some products will be only 1 rupee only. Then what will happen? Everyone will be going to the login that Flipkart or Amazon and they are try to book that product because that is the offer 1 rupee. So only one person it will order or many people. So many people order, right? So means what will happen? Everyone is going to that application and they are order that product. So number of users access their application. Maybe they not done the performance testing. What will happen means their application will be might slow or crash also it is happen. You can assume. I think anyone have knowledge before 2-3 years back, Amazon given from the one offer. So at that time, they not assumed, okay, we can get from the more than 1 lakh users at a time. They don't know. So then they are given one offer. At a time, number of people access their application will be crossed. Why? Because their application crossed means they are not assumed, okay, this much of load we are expecting. They are not done for the performance testing. So that is why nowadays each and every application, it could be any online applications. It's a banking application or insurance application or healthcare application or e-commerce application, any application without performance testing, that application not going to the live. Live nothing but as a user we are using, right? Facebook, Twitter. So as a user we are using means already it is a performance testing done. That is why we are using. So that is why already if it is performance testing completed only we are getting from the like application is going to the live. So doing for the performance testing, we can do for the different tools, load runner, JMeter, NeoLoad. So in our class, I will give for the load runner and JMeter. So these two tools I will give for the training. So already we are explained the demo class, like how to do the end-to-end testing. So if anyone miss a demo class, right, just ping me, please send demo class in your WhatsApp. Okay, I will share the that in our group. If anyone not added also, I will add for that group. Okay, if you are anyone not added for as of now, we have the group will be there, August PT group. So I will add that group. Everyone will get from the class link and once today class is completed, that video we are uploading from the in that group. Okay, so everyone go to that and you can watch that video. If it is maybe if you are miss also today class, you are able to see the video is available. Okay, so quickly we can start our class. So go into the load runner. So load runner, we have the 5 components in load runner. 5 components. So using these 5 components only, we can do for the, our end-to-end testing. What are the 5 components? Nothing but one is for the virtual user generator. Okay. And second one is for the controller. And third one is for the analyzer. And fourth one is for the, okay, load generator. And fifth one is for the, okay, fifth one is the agent process. So means using these five components, only we can do for our end-to-end performance testing. So you need to do for the performance testing means we need to we need from the some business flow, any one of the web application. So web applications nothing but what are the web application? Any kind of applications as a web applications, nothing but banking application or insurance, okay, or okay, like healthcare applications, and going to the e-commerce applications, and okay, and going to the next will be some social websites like Facebook, okay, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So these all applications we can test. So first thing you want to do perform testing means we should be know the what is our business flow. So using these components we can do for the perform testing. So going to the like once we can installation is completed, right? We are able to see the three software in our system. One is for the virtual user generator and analysis, and one is the controller. These are the components. So using these components, we can do the performance testing. Means once you can installation is completed, your system as a load runner, your installation is completed, we are able to see that these three components, virtual user generator and analysis and controller. So going to the, what is the virtual user generator? Virtual user generator, nothing but is the one of the load runner component. Using this component, we can record the business flow and generate from the script statement purpose, we can use for the virtual user generator. So for example, some business flow, assume some one application we have. So that is the PestStore application. Okay, one web application. So just some PestStore application we have. So PestStore application. So now we'll move to the like open the real-time application, and I will show the before record the script. So using for the virtual user generator, what we need to do means we can record the business flow. So now you can see just I'm opening from the manually PestStore application. Okay. So this is the PestStore application. So manually I'm performing. So what are the things I am performing? Same way we need to record from the using for the our load runner tool. So before directly going to record the script, we should understand the business flow, like what steps I want to do. First will be what I am doing, launch the application. And after that, click on the login button or sign in button. And after that, enter the login details. Okay. And username, password. And click on login button. Okay. And after that, we have the different type of pets we have. So which pet you want to order, you can select that product. So for example, I want to select any dog. So you can select a dog. So in this dogs, we have the different type of dogs will be there. So which one you want, you can select that one. For example, I want from the this. So I will selecting from the this. And after that, this product we are buying means we need to add to cart. And after that, it's the quantity it is asking, like how many quantity, like 2 or 3 or 1 you need to give. So if you want 2, you can give for the 2. And after that, just click for the proceed to checkout. And after that is asking from the payment details, like card number, card type, and expiry date, billing address. So everything is asking. So you can select from the which card you want and what is our card number, all details you can provide. And after that, click on continue. See, please confirm the information. What are the details as a payment you are ordered, right? All details it is displayed here. Just confirm. See, here you can observe. Thank you. Your order has been submitted. You got message? So, miss, this is the your business flow. Like we need to book the one pet is our business flow. So, final will be what? Sign out. So, this business flow, how to we can do the performance testing, how to we can record the business flow means, first you should be understand, okay, what are the steps I need to perform in your mind when you are recording, because so you want to actually do the sign in, but by mistakenly you did for the fish, then what will happen when you are recording the script, right? Automatically the code will be generated, this step will be recorded, but actually once our launch is completed, we need to click for the sign in button. But by mistake, you are clicked for the which button? You are click for the some. So that is why we should understand the business flow. Okay, I want to do for the these steps. So now just will write for the steps. Okay. So what is the first point? Launch the application, launch the URL. Okay. And after that, what we did? Login and click on pet. And after that, select the product. Select the product. What are the steps we performed, right? Just I'm writing. So our understanding point of view. Okay, select the product. And after select the product, what we are doing? We are add to cart. And after next step, we need to confirm the payment details. Payment details. And after that, you need to confirm the payment details. And after that, we need to log out. So these steps we need to do the performance testing as a scripting. So using for our virtual user generator, now we can record that and we can assume. So now just if you go to the here, right, we are able to see the virtual user generator. Just open. If you open this, then our virtual user generator will open. Okay. So everyone able to see, right? So please respond, you guys, please. Okay. Everyone able to hear, right? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Please respond, okay? Then I will know further, you guys will be there.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so now just I open for the our one first component, virtual user generator. So which purpose we can use the virtual user generator means we can record the business flow. Business flow means what? This is the our business flow. Assume already we are defined this is the business flow. So what are the steps we performed, right? Say launch the URL and log in, click on pet. These all steps will be our business flow. So once open the virtual user generator, it will be look like this. Then you need to click for the add new script. Okay, here we have the protocol will be there. What is the protocol? Nothing but it is a client server communication. Okay, if you are doing for the any kind of web application, we need to select for the web HTTP HTML application. Maybe you are doing for the any mobile application also. We have the mobile also will be there. You can select from the mobile one. Okay, so that is the our choice. Okay, so but now we are doing for the which protocol? Web application only. That is why we need to select always web HTTP HTML product. And after that, script name. This is the important thing, script name. Like script name also, we need to provide the professional way. Now, which application we are testing? Pet store application. For that, what we are doing? We are booking the pet booking. Okay, and just provide the date, today date 29/08/2023. Okay, and this is the just script is saving from the in this location. Otherwise you want to save for the somewhere any one of the your own folder. If you click these three dots and select from the where you want to save. Okay, right now I'm selecting from the what is the default location only I'm saving, and after that just click from the create button. So one thing in your mind, so real time also we need to perform same way. So everyday class will be real time only. So that is why everyday class you are will be perfect. After 30 or 45 days, you are become as a 4 years guy. How much is the experience, right? You also get from the that much of expert. Okay. So once open this, right, you are able to see this, and after that, just you can click on the record button. Everyone able to see record button? So just click for the that record button. And after that, we are able to see the one pop-up window, start recording window. And we are recording for the which applications, web application. So that is why we need to select for the always web browser. And here application nothing but like which browser you are using, like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. So which application you are testing, like application, like which browser, you can select that browser. If you not have that browser also, we can go to the these three dots, and we need to add from the, like for example, Google Chrome you want to add means you can go to the this PC, because we need to add from the .exe file. So if you go to the C folder, and there you can go to the program files, and here Google in that Chrome, and Chrome recovery. Okay, not this one. Google Chrome. Maybe. Okay, Google Chrome application. See, this is the .exe file. You need to select for the this one. So if you select this, click on open, then you are able to see the like this Google Chrome from here. So which browser you want to add, you can add for that browser here. If you don't have, because already I have all browsers, so that is why I'm not adding. And after that, this is the importing. So now which application you are testing, you need to provide that URL. For example, you are testing for the Facebook application, you need to provide for the www.facebook.com. Facebook.com. So you are testing some other application like ICICI Bank or HDFC Bank or whatever maybe. So one thing your mind. So which application we are testing, we need to provide that URL. Now we are doing from the which application, Teststore application. So this is the our launch URL. So just you can copy this Teststore URL and go to the here and paste it. Okay. So after that, just click for the start record button. So once you can click on start recording, what will happen means, so which browser you are selected, like you are selected as a Google Chrome, automatically what are the browsers will be there automatically when you are doing right. Before that, you can close this all. Which browser, like I am using Google Chrome, you can close for the all windows from the Google Chrome. Then you can click on start recording. What will happen? This Google Chrome will be our tool, it will open, and which URL you are given, that URL automatically it will open. Now we can see this is the start record button. So I click for the start recording. So we can see this one pop-up window will open, recording events. So and our browser is invoking. You can observe. See, our browser will be opening. You can observe this is the Google Chrome, and our URL. What is the URL you are provided? That URL here it is displaying. So now it is opening from the our launch. First step what? Launch. So you can observe here recording events. So these events increasing means your URL will be, you are able to opening means some process is going. Otherwise, these recording events is stuck from the some 2 or 3 means your script is not recording properly. your script not recording properly. So now you can observe, see, still it is increasing 43. So your application is opening. Okay. So it is opening. See, we can observe also like this recording events stop only. We can assume that, okay, our not able to opening for the our correct page. So now we can observe our page is sign in page is launch is completed. After launch is completed, what we need to do? Login, right? So just you can perform the login. So before performing from the login, right, you need to give for the start transaction. Like what you are doing, that is the start transaction. After that transaction is completed, we need to end the transaction also. So now click for the start transaction and provide the transaction name. What is our transaction name? Login. And click on OK and give for the login details. And click on the login button. See, login is completed, right? So you need to end this login. You can click for the login. Login is ended. Now next step, what? We need to click for the any one of the pet. So same transaction name you can provide. Click on pet. Click on pet. So now you can select for the any one of the pet. So I'm selecting for the dogs. And after that, what we are doing? So click on pet is completed. Now we are selecting the product. Before select the product, you need to end the click on pet. See, this is the just click ended. And this is the again start transaction. What we are doing? We are selecting the product. You need to give for the select product. Select product ID. Okay. Then click on OK. So transaction is started. And you can select for the any one of the product. Okay, see, we have the products will be there. So select the product is completed, right? You can end this transaction because each and every step we can concentrate as a one transaction because so each and every page also as a number of user access application, how much time it is happening, that is our major job. So that is why we need to provide for the each page transaction. So now we are what we are doing, add to cart. One more transaction, add to cart. You can add one cart. And after that, proceed to checkout. Add to cart. For this is the step for same thing. You can just click on proceed to checkout. Now, add to cart is completed. Finally, what? Payment details. You can provide the transaction name is a payment. Payment details. And click on OK. Okay. Just click for the confirm button because we are entered all details and click on continue button. And final will be confirm. This is also payment only, right? You can just click on for the confirm. Now, thank you for your order has been submitted. Just you can end this transaction as payment. Final transaction what? Sign out. You can provide from the sign out. So sign out. Just click for the sign out button. And this is the end sign out. Sign out is completed, right? You can end it. So now what is the your business flow? All business flow we record is completed. Then what we need to do? You need to stop the recording. This is the stop record button. Just click on the stop record button. Then once you click on the stop record button, the code will be generating. So what is the steps you performed? All steps will be recorded in our virtual user generator. So now we can observe. So we'll go to the action. We can see the each and every step. So this is not any language like C or Java. This is the just some test script language. So we can observe also. See, you can observe allow start transaction login. Login is started here. And after that, here we are entered from the username password. You can assume username password. So, and login is ended up to this. Means this code is belongs to the login code. And after that, next what we did, click on pet. See, you can observe, click on pet. So this code is belongs to the click on pet. So again, next we are done for the select product ID. So it is ended up to this, started here and ended from the here. And again, it started add to cart, ended from the add to cart here. Okay. Next will be what? Payment details. And payment details up to this payment is completed. You can assume. So up to this payment is completed. Final will be sign up. So everything is recorded. Hello.
Yes.
So what
sir.
are the steps we are already we know, right? Everything is recorded. So you can, it's a very simple language. This is, you can see also, you can easily identify it. Okay, sign out means, okay, this is the sign out code. And confirm means you can observe confirm. And we can see the each and every step clearly. See, order means it's a payment details, ordering. And you can go here, add to cart, proceed to checkout, nothing but it's a add to cart. You can see add to cart, and you can observe everything is recorded. What we know, everything. See, this is the login page, sign in page. You can observe this is the account action, sign in page, login. So this is the above code is the launch one. This is the launch one. So everything is recorded. Just we need to replay this script. Just this is the replay button, nothing but so we are executing. Just click on that button. See, now you can runtime viewer also, we can see our script will be executing like this. Launching, you can observe it is a launching, and after that login, and after that ticket pet is book completed. Your script will be passed. You can observe script will be passed. So what are the transactions you are given? All transactions will be displayed here. We have the 6 transactions, login, click on pet, select product. So each and every transaction, how much response time happen? Like we can call it as a 1 minute, 146 milliseconds happen for this login. This is the 626 369 431 613. Because why? Because this transaction response time is very important for us. Client is asked as a 2-second my SLA. So each and every transaction also we are getting for the 2 second or not, you need to observe. So this is only single user. But as a performance testing, we need to do for the multiple user point of view. So in multiple user also, average response time, you are meeting for the as per 2 second, client is expecting 2 second, you are meeting everything is 2 second, your test will be good, then that is the your job. But you can observe here, we have the launch also, we have transaction will be there, right? You can go here, launch URL will be there. But here is there. Hello? Not there, right?
No.
Yes,
So
sir.
means what is happen? Why it is not there means when you record, right, first time automatically it is open. That is why we are not provided for the transaction name. Means if you not given for the start transaction, end transaction, it not measure that particular response time. So that is why which purpose we can use for the start and end transaction, nothing but to measure the particular transaction response time, we need to give for the start and end. So now we need to provide from the, this is the our launch URL. If you want to provide manually also, we can provide. So just go to the surround with the transaction and give it as a launch URL and click on OK. See, now you can observe start transaction launch and end transaction will be launch. And after that, login is started. Now we can save this. This is the save button, just save. And this is the replay button, just click on the replay button. So now you can observe again, it is executing. Okay, script execution is completed. Now we can observe launch also we got. Everyone able to see? So
Yes, Kiran.
this is the way we need to do for the scripting, and like we can perform the scripting like this. And tomorrow class, right, we'll explain from the each and every step, like how to it is generated from the which functions and everything we can discuss tomorrow class. So as of now, today class, right, anyone have any doubts, you can ask me. So this is the question and answer section. We have the only just 2 minutes. Okay. So anyone have any doubts regarding this today class?
Yes, Kiran. Yes, Kiran.